Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. When I open my Facebook account, it will show we had a problem with the page you try to reach. We hope the habit to fix soon. You will be directed to the home page. So if you are facing this problem, first go to the Play Store and search here Facebook or Lite. Click on this and check for update. It will show update. I will update it. Wait and wait for installing. After doing this, again open Facebook account. Now it's working properly. If after doing this step, if it is not working, then next is go to the Facebook account, long press on it and click on the app info. Now go to the storage and cache. Once clear cache and again log in the Facebook account. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you next video.